Hi guys, what's up? And I'm back with another video on Technoxity. Hope I made you guys wait a lot for this video because there was a lot of disturbance and there were exams too, so I had to concentrate on studies. So here we are back with a new unboxing. That's JBL Go 2. The name is over here, JBL Go 2, and it's a Bluetooth speaker. Let's just check it out in this unboxing video. And first we'll have to cut open the tape, so let me just cut it open, and that's done. So now we'll have to take this out. Okay, I think this comes out. Okay, that came out. And here is, okay, this box is the whole thing, and there are some features written over here on the box. Those are 5 hours of playtime, 5 hours of playtime, IP/7 waterproof, speakerphone kit means libras. I didn't understand the last one, but then it's fine. So the battery capacity is of 5 hours, so that's okay. Let's now take the mic speaker outside. It says JBL on both sides. It's the color is really great. It has few buttons on the top. And before checking out this, let's just check out the box content. There is another box over here. That's I think there will be some kind of wire for the charging purpose, I guess. Okay, it comes out. And okay, the smell is really nice, guys. So we are taking this out here, and it also has a tape. Let's just remove because I can't afford to cut it, because if I cut, what if the wire gets cut? Okay, let's just give it a try. I think we can just cut it over here at the edge. Let's just do it twice or thrice, and I think that's done. Let's just open it up. Okay, this is the USB type. It's not type C, it's a normal USB cable, type AB, I guess. I don't know the types properly, so that's fine. And this is a huge manual for this small speaker, guys. Let's just take it out. I guess I am expecting some cloth. I guess there should have been a cloth. Okay, I think there is some warranty card and some other stuff inside. So let's just take this out. Okay, these are the things. This is the speaker, and this is a long thing, guys, as you can see on the screen. Let's just check this out. I think these are just the manuals, and now let's just try pairing the speaker with the phone over here. So this is the speaker. Let's just check out the buttons on the top. Here it's the play button, the volume increasing button, and the volume down button. Then the Bluetooth option that I think that lights up. This is the power button, I guess. So just a second, I'll grab my mobile, then let's continue. Okay guys, I grabbed my phone. So let's place the phone over here, and let me show you how you are supposed to pair the speaker. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. So you are going to turn on the device. Just press this. Oh, that was a nice sound. So I think the Bluetooth is on, and the light blinked. Okay, it's still blinking. So let's turn on the Bluetooth and select the device. Okay, let's go to settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and I think we need to search for this device. Where is it, guys? Let's check the visibility timeout. No timeout. Okay, so it just turned off. Let's just turn it on again. I think we need to press the Bluetooth option, and now mostly it will be available here. Let's give a refresh. Okay, we got the device over here, guys. As you can see, JBL Go 2. Just click on it. Yeah, that's now connected, guys. So let's now just open some video, and let's hear to the sound, and let's keep the speaker here, and let's have a mobile device over here. I have opened my favorite channel. I hope it's yours too. Let's open some video. Let's open this video, Technoxity. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, guys. So let's keep it here. So as you can see, you can I guess you guys can hear the video. Okay, that's lagging because the video quality in this mobile is not so proper. I didn't find any other device because I had to record it through my mobile. So yeah, let me pause this video and switch to some other video. Okay guys, this was the unboxing of the JBL Go 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more new awesome videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to mention something. There was this over here, the cable slot, and this allows you to charge the device, and this is the speaker slot or the mic slot. You can use a headphone, I guess, over here and not the mic. Sorry for the wrong information. And then just use it, enjoy it. Make sure you check the description for the Best Buy link. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.